I'm going to show you how to make filters for viewing samples in 3D through a single objective on a binocular or trinocular microscope. Just a note that this was originally inspired by Diet Tom's presentation of Shinya Vision, link in the notes, but I think I've made a couple of improvements. If you want to view samples in 3D on a computer monitor, you'll need 3 pairs of 3D glasses with cardboard frames, available cheap on everyone's favorite online shopping service. This Anaglyph system works fine, but the polarization system gives better color, so I'll show that first. For the polarization system, you'll need the things shown here: a cardboard tube that fits comfortably over the eyepiece of your microscope, polarization film, glue, sticky tape or labels, I prefer the labels, and tools for cutting and drawing straight lines. First, make sure the cardboard tube fits over the microscope eyepieces. Then draw lines to make sections of about 1.5 centimeters. Check the orientation of the polarization film. The film should pass light reflected from a horizontal shiny surface when the orientation is parallel to that surface and block it when perpendicular. For the illuminator filter assembly, cut 2 pieces into rectangles the same size but opposite orientation. Remember to remove the protective film from both sides. Tape them together edge to edge and mark them to show the polarization of each side. Use the cardboard tube as a template to draw 2 circles on the remaining polarization film. Cut the circles out, leaving a portion of the edge parallel to the polarization direction for reference. Again, remember to remove the protective film from both sides. Cut the sections from the cardboard tube. Wash your fingers. Glue the cardboard sections to the polarization film circles. The film tends to curve, so you'll need a weight to hold it down while the glue sets. To make the illuminator filter for the Anaglyph system, cut the red and blue filters out of 1 pair of the cardboard glasses, leaving the frame on 3 sides as shown. Tape them together edge to edge. For the eyepiece filters, cut the filters from another pair of cardboard glasses using the tube sections to template a semicircle for the inner portion. Glue the filters to the tubes. Put the polarization filters over the left and right eyepieces of the microscope. Place the illuminator filter assembly with the horizontal orientation on the right side and the vertical on the left. To align the eyepiece filters, move the assembly so the right horizontal orientation side covers all the illuminator and rotate the right eyepiece filter to get the darkest view. Then move the assembly so the left side covers all the illuminator and do the same for the left eyepiece filter. Now you should be able to see the sample in 3D. For the Anaglyph system, put the red filter on the left eyepiece and the blue on the right. Put the blue-red assembly on the illuminator. Now you should be able to see the sample in 3D through the eyepieces or using the red-blue glasses on the monitor.